Let's learn today how to use only one key figure to view the data of two different key figures. What is the use case of this is suppose the planners don't want to look at two different key figures, but rather want to look at only a single key figure for the sales history and the forecast. For example, what I want to see is that if I have a key figure which stores my sales history and another key figure which stores my consensus demand, I want to see one third key figure where if the data is before today, then it will take the data from sales history. And if it is from after today, after the current month, then it will take from the another key figure, which is consensus demand. The use case is that it might be useful for the planners to use to look at only one single key figure instead of two. So what I mean by that is, so let's look at a key figure. So let's say that this key figure holds my sales history, whereas this key figure holds my consensus demand. So what I would like to do is that to create another key figure, which it if the current date, if which will hold the sales history till the last month, that is the period before the current period, and then it will hold the data from another key figure from the future month. We will now look at this particular key figure and how it is able to fetch the data into it. So I believe that we already have the two key figures from which we intend to bring in the data. We'll add the third key figure that we just now created. So this is the key figure that we created, right? So let's see where it is taking the data from. So this Jan 2024 is less than the current period. So as we have written the function, the formula, so it is supposed to take from this key figure that we have created, and it's taking from that key figure. Now we will see when we are in the current period. So we are in March. Now, if you see, it is not taking from this key figure, but it is taking from this figure. So from the current to the next periods, it is taking from the consensus demand, whereas for the periods before this, it was taking from this key figure, even when the consensus demand had data. So this was our intent. So let's see how to create that. So let's go to our planning area. Go to key figures, and we'll create a new key figure. We'll say same key figure to different same key figure from 2. And then we'll look at a month prod level. And since we are doing some calculations, so